You're in love with the X-index. Ain't no I ain't in trouble, just the you since we met, 'cause you're toxic.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a mobile GFX. So first you type in GFX in the search bar, and then there will be the first option is GFX Studios green screen photo shoot backgrounds. I think this game is really good because it's like, yeah, it's rated really good, and I also make some mobile GFXs on here as well. I'm just going to check how much a private server is if you want to do a private server so that people don't interrupt you while you're in your green screen, or yeah. So you'll load into the game. As you can see, there's some actions down the bottom that you can do. Yeah, so like you can wave, you can sit down, and yeah. So when you load into the game, you'll see this place that's got like walls and stuff, and I'm just testing out the actions here. God, I can't get up from this pose. I do not know how to get up. I cannot get up. Okay, I'm just gonna reset real quick. Yeah. So when you go here, when you load into the game, on your left there will be faces that you can choose from. So there is a big variety of faces. I am going to choose this one over here. You can also change your skin color if you want to. I'm just going to keep the one that I have right now, but anyone is fine. So you go back out, and then when you're at the spawn point, on your wall forward is a bunch of hairs that you can get, and they are really good. They're really high quality, and they are free. So yeah, if you want to, you can get a hair. There's a hat remover over there. I'm not going to. I'm just going to stick with my hair, but as you can see, they look really good. So over here there are accessories that you can get, and yeah, so some of them you have to join their group, and if you want to join their group, that's fine to get these really cool hats. There's a lot of them, and yeah, so I think that that's really cool. And also there's a hat design over there. You can change the color of your hat. I think it's really cool. There's also some glasses, which I think are also really cool. Yeah, so back to the trendy hat designer, you can like click what color or what pattern you want your hat. It's really unique and I really like it. And you can also do what color, and it's really cool. So down here there are some clothing that you can do. If you want other clothing, you don't have to pay for it. You just go onto it, and then yeah, you just select your clothing. There's also, you can get a game pass to do to put shine around you and sparkles, and yeah, so you can buy that game pass if you want to. Here is the green screen. I think that it's really cool because like it has no shadows around you, so you can just quickly like get rid of the green screen. And yeah, it's like looks really professional, and yeah, that is really amazing because most games they don't really have that, and this one is pretty cool. So the next thing is the rooms. So this is the first room. You can sit on the couch somehow. I'm gonna try and sit on it. Oh, I'm sitting. Oh wait, no. Oh god, now I'm stuck. Yeah. I don't know how to sit on a couch. Something I thought I would never say, but I do not know how to sit on this particular couch. So yeah, I figured it out. You just sit on the couch. It is very simple. I was trying to, I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so I'm going to check out some other rooms. These look really cute. If they built these, they are very talented. Like, they look amazing. So I think I found this room that I really like. So you can sit like with the cat on your lap, and I think that's really cute. So yeah, So I'm just going to take a screenshot. Well, on the side there will be like a thing that says photo mode, and you click on that thing that says photo mode, and then all of that goes away. So yeah, so you take a screenshot, and if you want it to be a profile picture, you crop it into it's like in a square so that it fits perfectly in the profile picture. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So that was the first method. I really hope you enjoyed. I think it was really cool, and it's really simple and easy. So the next method, we are going to be using a green screen like the one I showed you before, and so let's get into it. So in this method, method 2, we are going to use the green screen, which is just over there, which I showed you before. Like I said before, it was really like clean, and it had no shadows and like light and stuff, so if you want you can just do like a pose or something. I don't really know what this is. I think it's meant to be like you're doing a selfie, and yeah, so that looks really cute. Yeah, so you can pick any pose that you want. So I'm just gonna pick a like that pose because it's like nice and simple, but yeah, not too simple. And yeah, so, oh, they're in my way. Okay, they will get out. There we go. Okay, so they got out. I'm going to take a screenshot. And yeah, so like I said before, you click the photo mode and then you take a screenshot and you crop it to whatever size you want. If you're doing a profile picture, you want to make it a square so it's right dimensions. And yeah, so after that, you just save your image and then that's your photo. Next, we want to open Ibis Paint X. I will paste the link of this app in the description. It is free, so don't worry, you don't have to spend any money on this. So we are going to open it up. We're going to press the plus button at the top and press import picture, and we're going to import our green screen. Press cancel, and then we will go onto the layer button down there, which is like, it's got the one on it, and you press so you click on that and then you press selection layer, and then you go onto the bucket tool and you just tap the places that you want to get rid of, like the green and stuff. So yeah, I am just going to quickly do that right now, and then yeah, I'll see you guys back. After we have done all of that, we go back to the layer by clicking the layer button and go back to ours. Then all of these moving lines will come, and then you have to go up to that, and then you press cut. And then yeah, so then you go up to magic wand and you press that little button with the line through it, pressing move selection. And then you go back onto the layer button, and then you can change it to transparent if you want to see if it's transparent, which I like doing sometimes, yeah. So feel free to do whatever you want to your character. I'm just going to add a background, so yeah. Once I've added my background, I'm just going to do it to the size that I like, and press cancel again, and then drag with the 3 lines, drag it under my character so that my character's on top of it. After I do that, I'm just going to add some stuff to my character. If you want to add like a outline or make it bigger or something, just follow what I'm doing because I think you might like this. So I am just going to go onto the layer button again, and I'm going to duplicate my character by pressing the button down below, add special layer, and then I press duplicate layer, and then that will duplicate my character, and I'm going to drag it under. And then next I go onto lasso, and then I do the move transform button, and I make it bigger. And yeah, so you click the tick after that. After you've done that, then you go back onto the layer button and you do another layer, and then you clip it. And then next you go onto the brush, change it to the outline color that you want, and then just change it to its bigger size by doing that. And then you just draw over it, and then it will be like your character has an outline. So just feel free, that's how you merge layers, you merge it down. Feel free to do whatever you want to your character. This is just some minor stuff that I'm doing to make it look like, make it pop. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my MOBILE Gfx profile. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!